Hello, children. This is your Rejitha ma'am, and we are going to learn about plants around us today. So, are you all ready for this session, children? So, let's get started. So, before we talk about plants in today's session, children, let me tell you something very, very important. So, ODA Class is an app which has been awarded with the most innovative live learning app of the year. And you can download this app, children, from your Play Store of your device. So, quickly type ODA Class in the Play Store and download this app, children. So for you, for your betterment of learning children, we have come up with this special course for all of you to simplify your way of learning children, that is bridge course. And this bridge course is going to get started on Monday itself. Now, what are the things that you will be getting in this bridge course, children? So this is a 1 week power packed program where you are going to enjoy 6 live sessions. So these 6 live sessions include 3 maths classes and 3 science classes, children. Now you will also get a facility of personal mentor teacher who will be your friend come teacher, children. So whenever you have any doubts related to any concepts in this course, you can call up your personal mentor teacher and they are going to be your guide to clarify all your doubts that you have during this entire course, children. All right, you are also going to get homework on a daily basis right after the live session gets over, children, in the app itself. You're also going to get tests. So you have to answer tests also, which will be uploaded in the app itself. Now, along with that, children, you are also going to get ebooks for the chapters that we are going to cover in this bridge course. And the ebooks you will be getting in PDF format. Now, you must be wondering how to enroll for this course. Am I right? So for that, you have to click on this link, children, that you can see. So this link is there in your description box. You can see, you can find below. You have to click on that link, children, and then you have to click on enroll now. And you have to complete a payment of only rupees 29. Yes, that's the price of this course. All right. So let me quickly give my introduction to all of you children. You must be wondering who am I? So my full name is Rejitha Nair. You can call me Rejitha ma'am, and I'm a master teacher of science at ODA Class, children. I have completed my post graduation from NIT Rourkela. I have also done my B.Ed, that is Bachelor's in Education. By profession, I'm an educator and I carry more than 10 years of work experience. During my 10 years of work experience, children, I have worked in multiple organizations, which I would like to share with all of you. I have worked with Macmillan Publishers, Pearson Education, British Council, the Jain Group of Institution, and also Chinmaya Mission. So these are the names and the logos of the organizations where I have worked before, and I always believe in fun with learning children. So let's start today's session where we are going to learn about plants. So we are basically going to discuss about the different types of plants which are present in the world where we live. So are you all ready, children? Starting with the first type of plant which we call trees. Right, children? So what are trees if you see? So trees are the plants, children. Trees are the plants which are very huge, which are very big. Am I right? So they are very huge plants which has got trunk on them. Am I right? So which plant has got a trunk attached to it? So whenever we talk about a tree, children, we never call it a stem of a tree. We always say it is the trunk of the tree. Right? So the stem of the tree is called the trunk of the tree, children. And if you see the trunk of the tree, it's very, very hard and woody. So it is made up of very, very strong wood, which is why, children, the furnitures that we use in our daily life, the wooden furnitures that we use in our daily life are made up of this wood. Is that clear? So the stem of a tree is actually called the trunk of the tree. Is that clear, children? Now let's discuss few examples of trees over here. So can you see the picture? This is a peepal tree and this is a pine tree, right? So pine tree is a tree which is also called as the original Christmas tree, right? Okay. Now the second type of plants that we are going to discuss about, children, they are called shrubs. So what are shrubs, children? Shrubs are medium-sized plants, so they are not very huge and big like trees, neither very small plants. So they are medium-sized plants which have thin and woody stem. If you see the stem of shrubs, children, they are very, very thin, but they are woody, which means they are made up of wood. So let's discuss few examples of shrubs. So which are these plants that you can see? So rose plant and your hibiscus plant. So these are the plants that comes under the category of shrubs. So they are medium-sized plants with thin and woody stems. Is that clear? So the third type of plants that we are going to discuss, children, it's called herbs. Now what are herbs? Herbs are the plants which are very, very small sized. So we call herbs as very small sized plants which have very weak and soft stems. Right? So if you see the stem of herbs, children, they are very, very small. They are very, very weak also. All right. So coriander plant and mint plant, they all come under the category of herbs. Is that clear? So herbs are small size plants. Now let's discuss the next category of plants, children. The next category of plants, we call it creepers. Now the name itself says, children, creep. Creepers creep, which means they are the plants that grow along the ground. Now if you see these plants, children, pumpkin plant, right? Watermelon plant, sweet potato plants. All these plants are the plants that will creep on the ground. So they are the plants that grow along the ground. They neither grow up straight, they neither grow below the soil. What do they grow? In which kind of way do they grow, children? They grow along the ground. So which is why we call these plants as creepers. Is that clear, children? The last category of plants, children, that we are going to discuss about, we call them climbers. So the name itself says, children, climbers. They climb. So these are the plants that will climb around what? So these plants, they need a support on which they can climb upon. All right. So which is why we call these plants as climbers. So you can see the examples, children. Grapevine, which is the black grapes, right? Here is the pea plant and here is the money plant. So all these plants are called climbers. Why? Because whenever they grow, they need a support on which they twine around, they coil around, and then they grow straight upright. So such plants, we call them climbers because they climb around the support, children, when they grow. Is that clear? Did you understand, children? So climbers and creepers also have weak stems. Is that clear? So how many plants did we discuss? 5. What are they? Trees, then shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Right, children? So let's end this session, children, with an amazing did you know fact. Let me see how many of you know this fact already. So if somebody asks you, which is the fastest growing plant on this planet, what will you answer, children? Yes, you're correct. So it's the bamboo plant, children. So bamboo plant is the fastest growing plant on this planet. Is that clear? No other plant can grow as fast as a bamboo plant can grow. Is that clear? Did you understand? I hope you all have liked this fact, children. Now, this is again a quick reminder to all of you children. So please download our app from your Play Store of your device and quickly enroll yourself to attend more such amazing sessions in ODA Class app, children, where you are going to get a power-packed program of 1 week, where you're going to have 6 live sessions, including 3 science classes and 3 maths classes. You're going to get a support of personal mentor teacher. You're also going to get homework in the app itself on a daily basis. You're going to get tests in the app itself where you're going to answer. You're also going to get e-modules, that is textbooks in the form of PDF, right? So many features all together in one program. And the price of this program, children, is only rupees 29. So do click on this link, children, that you can see in the description box below, and do enroll for our course, children. So I will be waiting for all of you in the course there. So see you in the bridge course, children. Bye-bye, everyone, and thank you so much.